subject from that family. Why did I just say that? It is currently snowing. It's like 4:44, so it's time to be lucky.
Where's the bin?
It's just like wait a minute. It's not 4:44 yet. Oh, so Sunday, December 15th. Happy Sunday! Eagles say there is 45 or 10 days. Well, Christmas just turned 44. Alright, let's see what luck we got. Absolutely none. Yep. Alright, y'all, I'm a Blooket enthusiast now.
She's just my little auntie.
I know, you just got that stare, you know, that look like she can see straight through you.
How do I haven't worn them today? So, like, I'm not really serious about here. I'm just for collecting the and stuff. Got 4 packs? 1. Yes! Okay.
Wishing you the joy of connection at the Lincoln Wishlist Sales Event. Select competitive conquest owners and lessees get $2,000 conquest cash in all 2024 and select 2025.
That is a terrible load. Yeah, we did. We did get some. We get a Snowman. Pretty decent. 15, another 5. We'll be uploading this right now. Love you. Bye bye.